Hey guys, welcome back. This is Amy with Android Power. Redmi Note 5 Pro got another Miui 10 OTK update that is based on Oreo 8.1 and the build number is 10.2.2.2.0. In this video, I will tell you what are the changes in this update and will give you a review of this update. The update comes with few changes to the system. Also, the update size is 367 MB. Will be different if you're on any other MIUI build. This update is still not released for all users as of now. As you guys can see, it's still not available for me. So I have downloaded the full ROM and going to update through choose update package. If you are wondering where is this option, you just need to go to system settings, about phone and tap on MIUI logo several times to enable this option. Now hit 3-dot menu and select choose update package and select the downloaded ROM file and hit on OK. So the reboot sequence has done. So I have updated my phone. Now let's go to system settings, about phone, and as you can see I am on MIUI 10 version 10.2.2.0 and the Android version is still Oreo 8.1, not the Pie. This is based on March security patch, which is good as of now. At least we are getting latest March security patch. Anyways, coming to the changes, changelog says updated Android security patch, which I have already shown you. There are plenty of other changes in the system that are not mentioned in the changelog. Now let's talk about camera to API in this update. For this, go to manual camera compatibility app and start the test. But unfortunately, there is no camera to API enabled in this update. If you want to use Google Camera, you need to enable this manually. I have noticed an animation in the UI. I don't know whether it is a new animation or a glitch in the animation. As you can see the app icons, whenever you will open any app on the home screen, then go back to the home again, an animation will appear to the down. Looks nice as of now. Now talking about the camera in this update, I have tested the shutter speed of the camera, which is the same as previous build. It's lagging while taking multiple pictures. Regarding the other features of the camera app, there are no new modes, picture quality is fine, and about the video settings, still there is no 4K recording, but yes, 1080p recording at 60 frames per second is available. Also, there is no AI mode on the camera app. One thing is another fixed in this update is about the viewing a click picture. Before, if you try to see a capture photo, then there was too much lag in the viewfinder. Now they have fixed this issue in the latest update. One another feature we are getting is in the theme app. For this, go to theme application, then your account, then go to customize theme, and here you can find these two new options, boot animation and boot audio. Now you can choose between different boot animation and audios. These features were available in the beta build. Now stable users are getting this feature. Another small change you can find in the file manager application. Now there are some small UI changes and also it is look cleaner and smooth than before. Many of you were asking about the dark mode in this build. So let's check. For this, go to system settings, then additional settings and developer options. And in this menu there is no dark mode available. Now let's talk about the app lock. In the beta build we are getting option to unlock the apps via face unlock, but I don't know why we are not getting this feature in the stable build. You can only use pattern lock and fingerprint to unlock the app. Regarding the location, I tried locking my location from outdoors and indoors and it takes too much time to lock my location even with high accuracy settings. In the previous update, GPS was better than this. Regarding the voice calls, there is a HD icon on the status bar for VoLT or HD calling. In my testing, there is no issue with network and calling via Geo VoLT have no issues. Talking about the benchmark scores, the Geekbench score for single CPU core is 1311 and multi-core score is 4541 and Antutu version 7 score is 1,15,075. So that's pretty much for this video. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.